Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how can I shuffle an array in the JavaScript. So for that, I have to create a function here first, shuffle my array, and I will pass the parameter of array. Okay. So now we're going to declare the three variables, current, random, and swap. Alright, so we have declared the three variables here. And now we're going to use the for loop. For loop, we're going to pass the current. Alright, so now we have to declare the value for the random. For that, we're gonna use math.floor, and inside there I'm gonna use math.random, and it will get multiplied by current plus 1. Alright, okay, so now we're gonna write the code for swapping the elements in an array. Okay, in the swap we're gonna declare array with the current index. Okay, and then in array dot current index will pass the value of random. Alright, and in random what I need to do, I'm gonna simply pass the swap value. Okay, and we're gonna simply return our array here. Okay, so this is how we create the function for shuffling elements of an array in JavaScript. So we're gonna use this function now. So first of all, I have to declare a variable here, so it would be var my array, give it some random values. Okay, so we have our array now. So I'm gonna call my function, pass my array. Alright, so I have done a mistake here. First of all, I just misspelled my function. Okay, so I just spelled it correctly, and here I have to write minus minus. I had to do the decrement here, so let's just run it now. Alright, so it is still not working. I think I have done some mistake again. Here it is. I have to give the small brackets here. Now it will work perfectly fine. So let's just run it now. Okay, so now you can see here, this is how we can shuffle the elements of an array. Okay, and this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.